Hey, if you want to create account on Threads application, first of all, you will have to create the Instagram account. And if you don't know how to do this, I have separate video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you step by step how to get it. And then when you already have your account, you will have to click on the right bottom corner on your profile picture. From here, click on the three lines in the right upper corner and then tap on the Threads. Now from here, click to get the threads. And if for some reason you don't have this option right here, just be sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version by using Play Store if you are using Android, or App Store when you are using iOS devices. And from here, we have to get this Threads application by clicking on the install button. And now just wait for the downloading process. As you can see, it goes really fast. So after a few seconds, we will have this application on our device. And as I said before, here we've got the Instagram, so be sure that you update it to the latest version and you don't have this update button right here, that you only have uninstall or open. Now let's go back to the threads and from here click to open. And there we are. Now you can actually use it without the profile, but you can also continue with your current Instagram account. So if you try to use it without the profile, you will have limited functions of the application, so it's highly recommended to use it with the profile. And also, if you have like multiple Instagram accounts and it doesn't show up right here, you can click to switch profiles and log in by Instagram, and you will be able actually to switch and log in with this correct account. So in my case, everything is fine and I have to click right here. Now we have to wait for this activation process of this application. It will take a few seconds, and here we can create a profile and link this profile with our current account. So let's click to allow and create a profile. And now we've got our name, bio, and links. So if you want to edit it for some reason, you can actually do this. That's also the bio that we can input, and links to our other social medias. By tapping right here, we can also change the profile picture, but we can also import this one from the Instagram. Now you can actually click to import everything from the Instagram if you want, and then you have to click continue. Then you can set your profile as a public or private, so you can decide, then click continue, and here you can also read about the content visibility, and then tap to join threads and accept the permissions that will pop on your device. And here we are with the recommended stuff that is linked into your account. So that's all. If you are looking for other tutorials for this Threads application, you can for sure find them on my YouTube channel. And that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.